So I want to show you how you can change this statement with their for color or text color, right? So let us, you see now these words already inserted and with their colors, right? I'm black, I'm white, you see. Hello dear friends, hope you are doing well. I'm Jizoju Offshore. I'm welcoming you back to HTML programming language lesson. Yeah, in the previous lessons, these are the words we covered. You see, we studied with HTML headings. You see, from heading 1 to heading 6. Then HTML paragraphs, right? What you call a list. HTML list, either ordered and ordered and nested list. And in the previous lesson, we learned about HTML background. You see, yeah, where we learned how we can set a background in the certain statement or element, as you have seen, right? So if you missed it by this lessons, please, it's time to go back and watch it, this video, so as to be aware of how you can develop your HTML website, right? Yeah, now let me show you something here. Keep attention and see what I'm going to show you. See, yeah, let me do like this. Let me show something here. Please keep watching this video until the end so as to be aware of you can use HTML language, right? See now, you see, what do you think about this statement here? Says that welcome to HTML style lesson 10 part 2. See how it looks like. So as you see, it differs from this one because this has a background color, but this is not background color but like fore color, because it's not background but it's the fore, right? Yeah, now based on this statement, now can you guessing what you are going to deal with in this program? Yeah, right, you are in right, because what you are going to learn now is how to insert the fore color or text color in a HTML page. Today's lesson is all about text color in HTML. Yeah, is what we're going to learn now. With example, when I can now give you like a syntax of how you can do it, right? Yeah, how you can do it. The syntax is this. It's like a usual. It's a tag here as usual. Then let me use comment. It's a just tag here. Then style as usual. Now equal with now the feature of what we're going to use here. Instead of background color, you see, we use just color, right? As you see above is color. Then choose the color name, and then you have also to close our tag, and now write the statement that will be displayed in that color. For example, welcome, like this. Then you have to close this tag like this. So this is the syntax of Okami using a text color, right, or fore color. Yeah, now let me give you an example let me write like this, but I have to end this comment here. Now let me give you an example of how you can use it. For example, let me write heading like heading 3 as our tag, then style as you see in the syntax, which is equal to color, right? Then I can select the color that I want to use here. Let me select this one, dark red, deep pink. Let me select this one. You see, and then I have now to write the statement that will be displayed in this color. You see, so let me write like I am green, for example, like this. I am green, right? So means that this word will be displayed with this color, but not background, but foreground, right? Yeah, now let me give you another example by using like paragraph. I can write the paragraph and let me make it bolder so as to look good like this, and then let me write first of all I have to put here now a style which is equal color. Instead of background color, we use just color. Then let me use blue now, and I'm blue now. I'm blue like this. You see? So this is how you can use a forecolor in our HTML page, right? Now we created these two statements. Let us run it to show how it looks like. And as usual, first of all is to save these changes. Now come and refresh our page here. Then you see, let me make it large so as to show you how it looks like. You see, I'm green, right? And I'm blue. See, you see how this word looks like. It's different from the previous one, which has the background color, but this is just the forecolor. So now you can change these colors. Like here you can use back color. When you use the back color here, or just you can copy them and just change the colors, right? Like this. Here you can use now like color. You see, like a color. Now also you can use like white. In this case, you can say that I'm black, and also here I'm like white. I'm white. So I want to show you how you can change this statement with their forecolor or text color, right? So let us, you see, now these words already inserted and with their colors, right? I'm black, I'm white. You see? So this is our lesson today. Please, if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe this channel. Share this video to your colleagues so as to get full access to our lessons without any restriction. And please remember to like this video. And if you have any question, comment or idea, please don't hesitate yourself. Go in your comment section and write whatever you want to our lessons, and you can ask any question you want in your comment section. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.